boys and girls. This is Anne Miranda. Welcome back to Happy Reading. Today's read aloud is going to be, What Do You Hear? If you'd like to purchase any of my books, please check the links below and be sure to subscribe. Are you ready to begin? Let's read! What Do You Hear? Written by Anne Miranda. Illustrated by Jeanne Pidgeon. What do you hear? What do you see? Open and look and listen with me. What is that? It's a calico cat. What is that now? It's a brown and white cow. What's under the house? Just a little brown mouse. What's on the loose? Watch out! It's the goose. What's under the rake? Yikes! A striped garden snake. What's in the pen? A noisy black hen. What's humming in the trees? Many busy honeybees. What's next to that log? It's a springy green frog. What is that sound? Hush, you silly old hound. What's under the moon? It's one hungry raccoon. Good grief! What's the matter? What noises? What clatter? What could that racket be? It's a skunk. Do you see? Thanks for listening. Be a good egg and subscribe. And visit my website at www.annemiranda.com. Until next time, happy reading!